Negotiating salary can be a daunting task, especially when it involves a team of individuals. However, with the right communication skills, you can navigate these negotiations successfully and ensure that everyone's needs are met. In this video, we will discuss some effective strategies for enhancing communication skills in team salary negotiations. One of the most important aspects of effective communication in team salary negotiations is active listening. It is crucial to listen to the concerns and needs of all team members involved in the negotiation process. By actively listening, you can gain a better understanding of everyone's perspectives and work towards finding a solution that satisfies everyone. In addition to active listening, it is also important to practice empathy during team salary negotiations. Empathy involves putting yourself in the shoes of others and understanding their feelings and perspectives. By showing empathy towards your team members, you can build trust and rapport, which can ultimately lead to a more successful negotiation process. Another key aspect of enhancing communication skills in team salary negotiations is being clear and concise in your communication. It is important to clearly articulate your needs and expectations, as well as listen to the needs and expectations of others. By being clear and concise in your communication, you can avoid misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Furthermore, it is important to be open and honest during team salary negotiations. Transparency is key in building trust and fostering a positive negotiation environment. By being open and honest about your needs and limitations, you can create a more collaborative atmosphere where everyone feels comfortable expressing their concerns and working towards a mutually beneficial solution. In addition to being open and honest, it is also important to be assertive during team salary negotiations. Assertiveness involves standing up for your needs and advocating for yourself in a respectful manner. By being assertive, you can ensure that your voice is heard and your needs are taken into consideration during the negotiation process. Lastly, it is important to practice patience and flexibility during team salary negotiations. Negotiations can be a lengthy process, and it is important to remain patient and flexible as you work towards finding a solution that satisfies everyone. By practicing patience and flexibility, you can navigate the ups and downs of the negotiation process with grace and professionalism. In conclusion, enhancing communication skills in team salary negotiations is essential for achieving successful outcomes. By practicing active listening, empathy, clarity, honesty, assertiveness, patience, and flexibility, you can navigate team salary negotiations with confidence and achieve a mutually beneficial solution. Remember to approach negotiations with a positive attitude and a willingness to collaborate with your team members. With the right communication skills, you can ensure that everyone's needs are met and create a positive and productive negotiation environment. Communication is essential in any team setting, especially when it comes to negotiating salaries. One key aspect of communication that often gets overlooked is active listening. Active listening involves fully concentrating on what is being said, understanding the message, and responding thoughtfully. In team salary negotiations, active listening can make a significant difference in reaching a successful outcome. When team members practice active listening, they demonstrate respect for their colleagues' perspectives and show that they value their input. This can help foster a positive and collaborative atmosphere during salary negotiations, leading to better outcomes for everyone involved. By actively listening to each other, team members can gain a deeper understanding of each other's needs and concerns, which can ultimately lead to more effective and fair salary agreements. Active listening also helps team members build trust and rapport with each other, which is crucial in any negotiation process. When team members feel heard and understood, they are more likely to be open and honest in their communication, leading to more productive discussions and better outcomes. By actively listening to each other's concerns and viewpoints, team members can work together to find creative solutions that meet everyone's needs. In addition to building trust and rapport, active listening can also help prevent misunderstandings and conflicts during salary negotiations. When team members are fully engaged in the conversation and actively listening to each other, they are less likely to misinterpret each other's words or intentions. This can help avoid unnecessary disagreements and ensure that the negotiation process runs smoothly. To practice active listening in team salary negotiations, team members can use a variety of techniques. One effective technique is to maintain eye contact and give the speaker your full attention. This shows that you are engaged in the conversation and interested in what the speaker has to say. Another technique is to ask clarifying questions and paraphrase what the speaker has said to ensure that you have understood their message correctly. It is also important to show empathy and understanding towards your colleagues during salary negotiations. Acknowledge their concerns and feelings, and validate their perspectives even if you may not agree with them. By showing empathy and understanding, you can build stronger relationships with your team members and create a more positive and collaborative negotiation environment. Effective communication is essential in any team setting, especially during salary negotiations. Building trust and rapport among team members is crucial to ensure a successful outcome. By enhancing communication skills, team members can work together more effectively to achieve their goals. One way to enhance communication skills in team salary negotiations is to actively listen to each other. This means paying attention to what others are saying without interrupting or formulating a response before they have finished speaking. By listening attentively, team members can better understand each other's perspectives and work together to find common ground. Another important aspect of communication in team salary negotiations is to be open and honest with each other. Transparency is key to building trust and rapport among team members. By being upfront about their needs and expectations, team members can avoid misunderstandings and work towards a mutually beneficial agreement. In addition to listening and being honest, it is also important for team members to show empathy towards each other. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others. By putting themselves in each other's shoes, team members can better appreciate each other's perspectives and work together more effectively towards a common goal. Furthermore, effective communication in team salary negotiations also involves being respectful towards each other. Respect is essential in building trust and rapport among team members. By treating each other with courtesy and consideration, team members can create a positive and supportive environment in which to negotiate. Moreover, it is important for team members to communicate clearly and concisely during salary negotiations. Clarity in communication helps to avoid misunderstandings and ensures that everyone is on the same page. By being direct and to the point, team members can convey their messages more effectively and work towards a successful outcome. Additionally, team members should also be mindful of their body language during salary negotiations. Nonverbal cues such as eye contact, facial expressions, and gestures can convey a lot of information about a person's feelings and intentions. By being aware of their body language, team members can ensure that their messages are being received as intended. In conclusion, enhancing communication skills in team salary negotiations is essential for building trust and rapport among team members. By actively listening, being open and honest, showing empathy, being respectful, communicating clearly and concisely, and being mindful of their body language, team members can work together more effectively towards a successful outcome. By fostering a positive and supportive communication environment, team members can achieve their goals and build strong relationships with each other.